Constructed in 1852, the Morelands Waterworks in Hampton played a crucial role in combating the cholera epidemic in Victorian London. With pioneering technology of its day, the site provided clean water from the River Thames to the entire city. Fast forward to today, and the facility is the home of the dbDNA platform, redefining DNA manufacturing and driving the future of genetic medicine. With the completion of this project, Touchlight has established one of the largest enzymatic DNA manufacturing capacities in the world, and the first to receive GMP certification. The project posed significant challenges. Original features such as the brickwork, tiling, and steel trusses required preservation, while production suites, mezzanine floors, and meeting spaces were integrated into the structure. All pipe and ductwork had to be carefully routed to minimize impact. In the labs, by using enzymes, dbDNA production bypasses the large-scale fermentation and lysis of bacterial cells. This facilitates rapid manufacturing timelines, reducing production time from weeks to days. It enhances purity and offers unmatched sequence flexibility, making DNA manufacturing more efficient and sustainable. Each production suite is segregated with unidirectional flows, allowing for the simultaneous manufacturing of up to 11 different products. Producing dbDNA requires only electrical power and benchtop equipment, with a significantly smaller footprint compared to fermentation. Through renewable energy and reduction of water and electricity consumption, Touchlight is embracing green manufacturing techniques to enable a sustainable future. We have also embraced digital transformation, such as the implementation of a cutting-edge ERP system, which has improved operational efficiency, enhanced traceability, and paved the way for future expansion. Winning the 2025 ISPE Facility of the Year Award for Innovation reinforces our commitment to pioneering advancements in DNA synthesis, ensuring the highest standards in safety, flexibility, and sustainability.
Touchlight has a long-held belief that scientists, like all creatives, function best in beautiful spaces. Whilst it may not, on the face of it, seem logical to site a GMP manufacturing facility in a waterworks that has been derelict for 70 years, the site has a large footprint of beautiful Victorian buildings which, now converted, provide a stunning and iconic facility that's an inspiring place to work. I'm sure our Victorian predecessors would be proud that we have converted it into one of the largest capacity DNA manufacturing sites in the world today.